Voila, our integration is live. You can see this is the message you receive in your email. Once they activate the um, account for you, you'll see it now. So you will receive this message. We are thrilled to inform you that the activation request for your business, also business, has been approved and you are now live. So let's go quickly back to Paystack. So you can see um, this is the platform. So let me refresh it. Instead of test mode, you will have active or live. You can see we now have live, so which means our business is now activated. So now we'll go straight into what we are going to do today. So don't forget, I told you that in the last class I told you that we will be going into payment pages, products, storefronts, orders and invoices, how we can use all those platforms. So now the first thing is create a payment page. So when you click on payment pages, then click on new payment page. That means you want to create a new payment page. Now you have three options to select here. You have one-time payments, you have subscription payment, and you have product payment. Now under product payment, create a page to sell one or more products from your inventory. So click on choose name of your page. So I'm going to skip all these aspects, and after I'll click on create. When you click on create, it will ask you to add products. We are done with payment page. I'll go to products. Now here I want to list all my products which I listed on Kings and Queens Fashion Boutique. So I'm going to click on new products. After that, I'm going to click I'm going to put the product name, then description. The description can be sizes of the products, then the quantity, limited or unlimited. The quantity is unlimited. The product contains one or more physical goods. Yeah. So because it involves address and other information. Now that click on next, then you're going to add images or videos and videos of the products. These are all the images. Then click on save. I just added my first products. Now the next thing is go to delivery. Under delivery, is going to ask, is address required? Yes. Optional. Delivery notes optional, or you can disable delivery notes. That is, maybe they want to pass some messages to you. You can disable that so that they can message you directly. So now add delivery fee. Do you collect delivery fee? If yes, add it. Location. Which location are they sending the product to? Maybe let's say Lagos. How much do you want to collect for delivery? Specify it. Let me say maybe my delivery fee for Lagos is just 2,000. So which means if they are going to order the products with the delivery fee, is going to be 10,000 naira. So just click on save. The delivery fee has been added like that. So what else? After purchase, we've added the product already under cost, or we've added the product already, so you'll be able to see information about the products here. You can see these are the images you uploaded. So you can view the image, then you can change the background color that appear here, maybe to yellow, or whichever color you are okay with. So you can change it to any color you are okay with. After that, you can add the description, maybe the sizes that are available here. We didn't add description when we were adding the product. You can add the description here. Let me say 39 to 44. So and I can try to make it bold. I decide to put available sizes. $39 to $54. So now, don't forget, while we are adding products, we did not request for additional information. If you are adding your own products, make sure the kind of information you are going to ask, the additional information you are going to ask, if it involves clothing, footwears and other things, or wristwatch that involves sizes and different colors, ask them their preferences, maybe like color or size they want, color and sizes they want. Ask them that. So after purchase, is there any message do you want to redirect them? Do you want to send them a success message or notification? You can set all that here. So now let's assume I want to use this. I want to, don't forget, when we are creating our Facebook shop, when we are adding products, we did not add link or the product link itself. Now I'm going to copy this link, go to my Facebook, then add a link to these products. So the link is now going to be this. So once you add the link, click on save. Now we are going to view the products now. We are going to view the products now. So if you click on checkout on websites, so it will now open the product payments platform. You can see buy comfy sporty sandal. So how much is it? How many do they want? They will specify. I'll quickly go to product and create other products now. So I've added 3. We'll look into store fronts now. Now you can see welcome to storefront, sell multiple products on a single page. So this is a demo. Well, I'll just click on new storefront directly, then the name on your storefront and currency naira. So after that, you can specify the link here, then click on create. So once you click on create, add any of the products that you want, or you can decide to select all so that all the products will be added once. Then click on add products to storefront. So now you can decide to preview your storefront. So customize storefront. Let's see. Yes, your welcome message under storefront, you can change the color to any color that you like. Then let's add, let me say, welcome message. Let's add welcome message. So Kings and Queens Boutique, home of fashion for the best. So add your business name. Well, all this one that I'm doing now is not really necessary, just for a fizzy purpose only. Then your contact email, your social media, you can decide to add your social media information. Then delivery, we've touched all this under products. So let's preview the storefront. So you can see this is the way your storefront will appear. So this is the one you are going to incorporate on your website in case you want to incorporate the link on your website. So you can see this is what I was telling you in some of the videos before, that with this you can create a payment method even when you don't have a website. Even if you don't have a website, you can try to copy this as your website link. Yes, then go to your Facebook. Under your edit page info, under your website, you can try to use that particular link as your website link. Okay, if you don't have a website link, you can try to use this as your website link. So which means all your products would be reviewed. So now I can try to change this to, I can try to edit the page button and change it to shop now. Where is it? Where is shop now? Shop now, shop now. So I can try to use shop now, then paste that particular storefront as my website URL. So which means when people visit that particular shop now, it will take them to the storefront which I created on Paystack. Just imagine how beautiful this is. Just imagine how beautiful it is. Even without having a website, you can sell online, you can do a lot of things. You can see, so they can be able to select any of the products. You can see, look, just see. You can see, so, and the price will be listed just below the, okay, and that's what I want to pick. I'm a visitor now, I want to pick this particular product. The next thing, I can try to contact seller, or I can add it to bag. Add to bag, this is the bag here. So I can try to say keep shopping. Maybe I love this again. I will click on this, add this particular one, then click on checkout. After that, the information, please try again later. Well, I will say this later. So after that, click on continue to pay. After adding the information, click on continue to pay, and voila, you are good to go. So to clear this message off, let me quickly go to Paystack, then set the delivery information. Let me set the delivery information, Lagos. Then how much is delivery fee? Let me just say free. Okay, you can't, €0. That means it is also free. So let me go to that storefront again. Let me refresh it. So let me try to shop now. Let me click on this, add to bag, continue shopping, then add this also, add to bag, then click on checkout. You can see that message is cleared off because I did not set delivery fee before. That's why. So Lagos, you can see it's showing free, so which means if I'm delivering within Lagos, it is free. So if it is a gift, you can try to, the customer can try to click, is this a gift, check it, then the information of the person they want to gift the product to will be put there, and other things, then they will pay. So this is the last part of how to create payment method. I will see you in the last class, which is how to create adverts. Just a simple advert to sell our products on Facebook, either Instagram, or WhatsApp. But the one we'll be doing is how to create adverts targeting Facebook or WhatsApp. So any of the two, or we just send people directly to this particular page to purchase product. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.